this one. Ready? I'm just showing Shelby. But you can also. She's dead. Shelby, that's how you show a bird. That's what Robert's going to learn to do next year. Her feet are stuck together. I don't want another picture. I will just have a picture with Shelby. Yeah. I want a picture with
There's Big Mama and her babies.
I want a picture. You're electrocuted. We don't have one.
There's Big Mama. There's her 3 baby chickens. Hi, little chickie.
Ah! Little bitch.
Do you want to catch any more, Rylan?
Yeah. Ooh,
Okay, hurry and get it.
that was too bad. I want a picture with one.
Hurry.
I'm trying to get it, but I'm trying to get one. Rylan. The cutest chickens we have.
What kind of bird is that?
Ircana, I think.
Yep, you're right. Okay, show us your trick.
Oh, that one doesn't like it.
Gentle.
I'm in one first prize on this one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get this one next year.
Mm-hmm.
Hey,